As in the previous videos, I have told you that how we can actually create the front page of our store. Now it's time to add some collection page to our store where all of the products would be listed out without any text, but just only the products and their descriptions with pagination too. So I'm going to get back into my admin panel. I'm going to click on the collections area or option in here. Just click on the front page, which comes in default, and in here I have the title and as well as the description. So now if I just click on the view your store option, I'll be finding nothing but just only this is just blank area, because if I just get back in here in the collection.liquid file, there is nothing. If I just, this is my collection page. I'm going to save everything back in here, and then I'm going to refresh the page. And as you can see that this is my collection page has been added in here. I'm going to get back into the Cutter admin panel, and in here I'm going to change the title collection and as well as the description. Has been changed to something else, and I'm going to save everything back. Get back and refresh the store, and nothing would happen. It will still remain the same because we haven't added any dynamic code so that it will direct all of this description and title back to the collection liquid and will show it to the user. So for that purpose, I'm going to add some dynamic code, so whenever the user changes something in here, it will be automatically changed in collection.liquid and will be displayed to the user in here. So I'm going to get back and we'll remove this code and we'll add some code in here. As you can see that I have added a piece of div section in here, and in that I have provided the header to collection and as well as the collection.description. So whenever a person header to collection is referring to this one and the collection description is referring to this one. So now let's give it a try. Just save it and refresh the page. And as you can see that the title collection and description has been changed to something else. So whatever the usage would be changing in here would be changed in here too. So in this way we could change all over the way. Now it's time to list off all our products in here. So just to get back into the area, and just right after the second div inside div tag, I'm going to loop through each of the product and we'll list it out with the help of for loop. As you can see that I have added a for loop which will be actually looping through each of the product in the collection product area, and then it will include the product dash loop. So now here how we could use the product snippets. As I've told you that we could use the snippets repeatedly in each of the area. So inside the product dash loop.liquid we have many of our products collection, and we have the list of our products. So what we are doing in here is we are just simply including this product dash loop.liquid file inside the for loop and then looping through each of the product and displaying it to the user. So I'm going to save it in here, and then I'm going to get back and refresh the page. As you can see that the products have been added with a collection. So description has been changed to something else with the title in here, and all of these things have been added. But now I want to show the pages. Like for example, the 8 products will be in the first page, and then afterwards more of the products will be on the second page. So I'm going to provide some else if statements in here.